Hello, welcome to Change the Game Academy. My name is Marcelo Iñarra. I am a fundraising and engagement consultant, and I am very pleased today because I will be presenting a micro course about accelerating the digital transformation for Change the Game Academy. In the next few minutes, I will be introducing you in 4 principles of digital transformation. And the first one is related that you need to fall in love with the imperfect digital life. What does mean this principle? Well, the digital life needs a cultural shift. When we are living in an analogical world, in the real world, in general, we pretend that everything looks perfect. On digital, you have a lot of imperfection. Why? Because in the digital life, you can correct on the way very easily. Comparing with the real life or the analogical life is very difficult. So you need a cultural shift in your organization, in your NGO, and you need also part of the cultural shift that you need to take decisions very fast. So if you need to take decision very fast because it's related with, for example, news on the media, is related with changes in the society, you need to have an agile way of management. And this agile way of management is part of this imperfect digital life. So because you can take fast decisions in an agile way with an agile management, and you can correct on the way. And we have on digital fundraising and engagement a concept that is called optimization. You can correct on the way and in a permanent with a permanent style. One element that is very useful that we took from the digital companies is the minimum viable campaign, MVC. What does mean? That you have a good enough but not a perfect or ending campaign, for example, but it's good enough to launch and be viable. But you can collect feedback on the way and you can improve it. But if the campaign is not working after a few time, you can abandon this campaign. And this is something that is related with the imperfect digital life. So that is that you can launch something simple, something small, and you can correct on the way. The second principle is that to launch this kind of minimum viable campaigns, for example, you can use open digital resources, something that is ready that you can plug and play. You don't need to you don't need to develop something new, and you can use free apps, for example, that you can use to create graphics, that you can create communications, or for example, the social media, they are free to use for everyone. So, and again, you need to correct on the way using this concept that is optimize, optimize, and optimize. The third principle is related with digital storytelling. So on digital times, you need to give a powerful role to your donors and your community. And something that I am working for many years is the digital concept of we. What does mean we in digital times? It's not anymore the people that works or on the NGO or the volunteers. The new concept of we is related that you are giving a role to your digital community or the people that are in your social media or the people that are participating through, for example, email marketing or WhatsApp messages or any other way of communication through digital media. Digital storytelling is crucial for your digital campaign. So something that I would like to highlight is that you need to maximize the use of digital channels using a specific language for every digital channels. And in this way, you need to maximize the integration of the digital channels. Let's summarize which one are the main digital channels. You have your website, you have email marketing, you have social media, you have mobile messaging, mobile apps, and many others, because the digital ecosystem is changing all the time and incorporating new ways of communications. Last but not least, I would like to go to the point number 4. In general, digital channels are really very focused to acquire new supporters. But I would like to remind you that it's a super powerful tool to cultivate them by this media. So you can contact them. In general, my recommendation is that you can contact them through the same way that they join your organization. For example, if your supporters are coming from email marketing, it's a great tool to use email marketing to communicate with them. So don't forget this powerful element on digital acceleration, that is communicate with your donors through digital media. So let's sum it up. We have on digital acceleration these 4 principles. You need to embrace the imperfect digital life. This is the point number 1. The point number 2, you need to use open digital resources. You need to be super accurate on the way that you are sharing your stories through digital storytelling. And last but not least, recruit new supporters, but also use digital media to cultivate them. I hope that you enjoy this micro course, and I invite you to visit changethegameacademy.org for more information and more courses. See you soon.